Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is 13 Days of Halloween Inspiration. I am going through some mini albums I have in my stash and showing them to you in hopes that they will inspire you to use up items in your stash. This one is fabulous for this because I think I have got pieces of every collection for Halloween I have ever owned. Stickers and washi tape and just so much different stuff. Let's see if you can count how many different vendors all this stuff came from. I can't even tell you. I do know that and I don't even know where they came from. These are some enamel stickers that I have, and this is an enamel pumpkin. I don't remember where they've come from. This paper, it could be from Doodlebugs, it could be from Joann's, I'm not sure. But, and what's crazy about this mini album is it's got so many different colors, but it all works. So this one opens up this way, so there is room for a photo here and a photo there. And this is purple. I know it doesn't look purple here, but that will fit just about a 4x6. It's a little bit small, but it's close. And then this comes out, so there's room to journal on both sides. You could put a photo on one side. But so that's our front page, and then we've got a photo mat in the pocket. I don't always have anything on the back just to make sure it doesn't get too bulky. There are hidden pockets in here. Now I do know that these bats came from the dollar spot at Target, what, 5 years ago maybe? I don't know. But I loved them. They were so cool. But I had them for a long time and I never used them. And they seem to go with this page, even though this is an off-white and this is a mustard color. But it looks cool. It's sort of a Batman-y color, right? So then this will open like that. So room for you to put a photo and journaling and room for your picture right there. This goes really nicely with here because of the yellow inside the house. And then there is another journaling card, another photo mat, and then I have these kind of photo mats that are open, so you could stick a photo under there, or if you can't be bothered, then you can just take your photo and put it right on there, and this will show around the edges to give you some added interest. So that goes in there, and these go in the pocket like that. And then again, there's your hidden photo mat. Love the orange colors here. I mean, to me, it all works well. There is a journaling card, and then this opens up like that, so room to journal and put your photo. And here is some more of those enamel stickers. There's one there and one on each of the corners, and I just love how these colors all go together. And there is your hidden photo mat for that page. And then here is the kitty cat enamel stickers. And I love this page. I just love the color. So, and it goes to show you that you can use anything and get away with it in a Halloween album. Journaling cards, so room to journal on there or put a photo and put a photo here. You can either journal on here or just leave that the way it is for a decorative element. And now these open and you go from that bright green to this orange. So there is one of those enamel stickers. A couple of different oranges there. And room there. I just love the surprise of that. There is a gray photo mat. And then here we go to black and white. Crazy. Some journaling cards there. This was a wide washi tape, and I had it forever, and I think I used the last of it in this. This is held down with a magnet. And here's a couple of cute little tag pockets, so room to journal or add a cute little photo in there. There's some spiders that were from those enamel sticker sets. And to go with the spiders, here is a spider web page and a journaling card. So there's the black and white page, and there is your hidden photo mat, and that'll open like that. We go to the purple page with the purple bat. So a couple of journaling cards or photo mats. They'll go in that pocket. And here's a journal card with some sparkly gold paper that you could either tuck your photo in there or put it on the outside. And that'll just go into this pocket there. Or you could do it this way. I don't know. However you want it. Nice interactive mini album. Oh, that's the next page. Sorry. I was getting ahead of myself. All right, here is our candy page. There is a pumpkin photo mat and purple page. And this has some of the candy enamel stickers. And that will open this way. Now, can anyone recognize these? If so, you'll date yourself. I think this is from an old K&Company paper collection. I don't know. Somebody want to date it for me? Because I can't even tell you. And this will open like that, and that'll open like that. So a fun little way of putting in some cute little pictures or journaling or whatever. This is where I would put pictures from the Halloween parade maybe that the kids were in. And there's the back, just a nice purple. And there is the front cover. So I just wanted to inspire you to use all the items in your stash. Leave a comment if you know where that candy K&Company paper, if you know the age of that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.